Hi everyone, Paul from Axalta. We all know that in the vehicle refinish industry, a clean, defect-free finish always starts with great preparation. So Axalta want to remind you about our Sontara range of cloths and wipes. Sontara cloths are chemical-free, very strong, low linting and have no glue or binders. Other cheaper wipes can leave lint and residue leading to defects in the final finish. Ask your local Axalta distributor for a free sample pack. Inside you'll find Sontara solvent wash and dry cloth, our premium low lint cloth, best used as the final clean with solvent or water-based cleaners. It is the largest, most absorbent cloth in the range. Sontara degreasing cloth, our general purpose cloth, used for all stages of preparation. Sontara primary tack cloth, our premium green tack cloth, the perfect tack cloth for waterborne refinishing as it leaves no residue or streaks and has been used for many years in our Axalta training centres and waterborne customers with great results. And last but not least, the Sontara static control wipe, used in the cleaning and preparation of plastic bumper bars and parts. Want to find out more about Sontara for refinish? Grab a sample pack from your local Axalta distributor now.